Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Now question number 12 will start. Question number 12. Write all possible 3-digit numbers. Now it is clear. Yes. Now write all possible. Write all possible. Yes, write all possible 3-digit numbers. Yes. Yes, nobody will interfere. Why are you interrupting me? Write all possible 3-digit numbers. Write all possible 3-digit numbers using the digits. Yes, no disturbance. Mute the microphone. No, this is 12th one. 11th one was digit 502. In 11th one, digits were 502. Now this is 793. Using the digit 793. Yes, mute the microphone. Using each digit. Let's see. I will expel the student from the group if there is continuous disturbance. So please take care of this student also as well as their respective parent also. If there is disturbance, yes. Now write all possible 3-digit numbers using the digits 793, using each digit only once. Only one time you have to use each digit. So digits are 793. So using the digit 793, we have to form 3-digit numbers. Yes, mute the microphone. Now 3-digit numbers. So first we make 3-digit numbers. First I will keep 7 in the ones place fixed. 7 in the ones place. 7 in the ones place is fixed. Then digits left are 9 and 3. 9 and 3, that I can write 9 3, then I can write 3 9. So these two numbers are there, 3-digit numbers. When the unit place there is 7 or ones place there is 7. Now yes, another 3-digit numbers. First I have then page number 10. Now first in ones place I will fix 7. Yes, now it is clear. When ones is fixed 7 7, digits left are 9 3 3 9. Now I will fix 9 in ones place. 9 in ones place I will fix 9. So 9 9. So which digits are left? 7 and 3. So I can write 7 3. Then I can write 3 7. So 7 in the ones place, 9 in the ones place. Now I will fix 3 in the ones place. So 3 in the ones place, 3 3. When I will write 3 in the ones place, the digit lefts are 7 and 9. So this I can write 7 9 9 7. So these are 6 3-digit number. So so let me write up. So possible 3-digit numbers. Yes. Possible. It is clear. So right. No. Right. possible 3-digit numbers. Yes, possible 3-digit numbers. Possible 3-digit numbers are, which numbers are there? 937, 937, then 397, 397, then 739, 739, then 379, 379, then 793, then 973. These 6 3-digit numbers are there using the digit 793 only once. These 6 3-digit numbers, yes, these 3, keep the phone horizontally. These 6, total how many numbers are there? 3 digits. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how we form this 3-digit number using the digit only once? In ones place, I will first write 7, 7, 7, then digit lefts are 9, 3, so this I can write 9, 3, 3, 9. Then I will write 9 in the ones place, then digit lefts are 7 and 3, this I can write 7, 3, 3, 7. Then I can write 3 in the ones place, then digit lefts are 7, 9, which I can write 7, 9, 9, 7. So total there are 6 numbers. Total there are 6 3-digit numbers. 937, 397, 739, 379, 793, 973. So these 6 numbers are there of 3-digit. Yes. This part is over. Yes. And this is over. This 793. This box is over. See, this box is over. See. Yes. See. One thing I will advise you. Along with writing correct answer, you should have good speed also in writing. That speed is also required. Speed and yes, speed. Wait. Speed and accuracy both are required. Yes, speed and accuracy both are required. Speed and accuracy. Yes, very good. Now let us start question number 13. Yes, now it is clear. Write. No, it is grey. Blood. No. Blood. Yes, board is clear now. Yes, sometimes what happens, because of the resolution of the net, for 1 second, 2 seconds it happens. Anyway, let us write question number 13. Yes, write the following numbers. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in short form. Yes. Yes, who is creating the disturbance? Write the following numbers. Mute the microphone. Write the following numbers in short form. We are given the expanded form. From expanded form, you have to write the short. Yes, from expanded form, you have to write the short form. So 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000. 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 4 into 10. 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. We have to write the number in short form. short form is same as standard form. Short form is same as standard form. So let us write the solution. We are given the expanded form. Yes, mute the microphone. We are given the expanded form. From expanded form we have to write the standard form or short form. Let us to write the number in the short form or standard form. I will start with unit place. Unit place into 1 means ones place there is 3. 3 into 1 means at ones place there is number 3. Then into 10 means at tens place there is number 4. 4 into 10 means 4 is at tens place, 3 is at ones place. Then after 4 there is no 100. There is no 100, it is 1000. So in place of 100 I will write 0 because there is no 100. See, 3 into 1 means 3 is at ones place. Okay. Then 4 into 10 means 4 is at tens place. Okay. After this 4 there is no 100. So in place of 100 I will write 0. Then after 100 there is 1000. So 7 into 1000 means 7 is at 1000 place. 7 is at 1000 place. Then 5 into 10,000 means 5 is at 10,000 place. And this is the number 57,043. 57,043. Then B, yes. So what we write directly, 3 into 1 means at ones place there is 3. At ones place there is 3. 4 into 10 means 4 is at tens place. Then after this there is no 100, means 100 place there is no, means it is 0. After 100 there is 1000, so 1000 place there is 7. Then 10,000 place there is 5, so 57,043. Here let us write next one. 7 into lakh, 7 into 1 lakh. 7 into 1 lakh plus 9 into 10,000 plus 9 into 10,000, 9 into 10,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Yes, mute the microphone. 4 into 1. So let us write this number in the short. Short form is same as standard form. We are given the number in expanded form. This is the expanded form. From expanded form we have to write standard form or short form. So let us start with the unit place. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 means 4 is at ones place. 4 is at ones place. Then 3 into 10 means 3 is at tens place. 3 is at tens place. Then 2 into 100 means 2 is at 100 place. Then 9 into 10,000. So there is, after 100 there is 1000, but there is no 1000, it is 10,000. So there is no 1000 means in place of 1000 I will write 0. There is no 1000. After 100 it should be 1000, but there is no 1000, so I will write 0. After 1000, 10,000. So 9 into 10,000 means at 10,000 place there is 9. Then after 10,000 it is lakh. So in place of 1 lakh it is 7. So 7 lakh 90,234. 7 lakh 90,234. Is it clear? Yes, no, it is clear. Let us start. Let me give you the homework. After A, B, C, yes, C, D, E, I will give homework. C, D, E. It is coming clear. Wait, should have some. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Somebody is talking, and because of that it is disturbance. So see, 1 into, wait, homework. So 1 into 1 crore. 1 into 1 crore plus 3 into 1 lakh, 3 into 1 lakh no wait plus no plus 5 into 10,000, 5 into 10,000, 5 zeros, 4 zeros plus 8 into 100, 8 into 100 plus 7 into 1, 8 into 100 plus 7 into 1. Then D part. So this C is homework. Now D is 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 6 into 10 lakhs plus 8 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 1 lakh, 8 into 1 lakh plus 4 in crore. So 4 into first it is, see, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. It is 10 lakh. 4 into 10,000, 4 into 10,000. It is 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 3 into 1,000. Yes. And yes. Where? This one D. It is 8 into 1 lakh. You count. 1, 2, 3, 2. Wait. E. D is over. Now E. Yes. See. If there is no 100 place. Yes. See, in D, there is no 100. So in 100 place you will write 0. There is no 10. So in 10 place you will write 0. There is no ones. In place of ones you will write 0. Is it clear, this one? Is it clear? In D1, in D there is no 100. There is no 10. There is no 1. So in all the three places I will write 0, 0, 0. Now E, 8 into 1 lakh. 8 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 5 into 10,000, 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000, 3 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 0 into 1. 0 into 1. Yes. Now all of you are comfortable. in doing CD homework, or I should solve E? Oh, yes, yes. Let me give CD. Yes, yes. CD homework. So there are three homeworks. CD. Yes. CD homework. Very good. CD homework. Yes, CD all are homework. Plus E last part is 0 into 1. E last part is 0 into 1. Yes, yes, C, D, E, all three are homework. Yes, C, D, E, all three are homework. Yes, yes. Now let us start. Wait, let us start next exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Write the successor. Yes, mute the microphone. Write the successor. Yes, mute the microphone. Write the successor. Write the successor. Successor means just after that number. Successor means just after that number. For example, wait. Yes. Right. Yes. Write the successor for each of the following. Yes. Successor means just after that number. For just after, we add 1 to that number. Write the successor for each of the following. Successor means just after that number. So to find just after that number, I will add 1 to that number. And let us solve the problem based on this. A, write successor. It is 99,000. Yes, 99,999. 99,999. Find successor. Successor means yet just after that number or immediately after that number. Immediately after or just after, I will add 1. Yes, wait. I will add 1 to the number. I will get successor. So this I will solve. So this I will solve 99,999 for for successor I will write plus 1. For successor I will write plus 1. So 9 plus 1 10. I will write plus 1. 9 plus 1 10. 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 And this is the successor. 99,999. The successor is 1 lakh. Yes. So we write. Yes, you can put the comma, no problem. You can put the comma. We write successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh. Successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh. So successor means just after that number. Wait. Have patience. Successor means just after. Successor means just after or immediately after that number. For successor, we add. Yes, for successor, we add 1 to the number we get successor. Now let us solve. the other parts B, C, D. Yes, successor means successor. Yes, yes. Wait. B is, yes, mute the microphone. Now B is 1 lakh. B is 1 lakh. B is 1 lakh. Find successor. So for successor, the given number is 1 lakh. The given number is 1 lakh. I will add plus 1 in the ones place. So 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And this is the successor. So what is the successor? 1 lakh 1. 1 lakh 1 is the successor. So we write successor is 1 lakh 1. Successor is 1 lakh 1. There are 4 zeros. 1 lakh 1. This is the successor. For successor we write plus 1. We add 1 to the respective number. Yes. For successor we add plus 1 to the respective number. We get successor. To get successor we add plus 1 to the respective number. Successor means just after or immediately after. Now next is C. 320. Yes. Board is now clear. Wait. 320. Yes. Wait. 320. Then there are 4 times 9999. Yes. Now find successor. So for successor, this number is there 320, then 4 times 9. For successor, I will write plus 1. I will add 1 to the respective number. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 1 is carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 1. 0 plus 1. See, 1 is carried, no? So 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then 2 plus 0, 2. 3. 32 lakhs 10,000. 32 lakhs 10,000. This 1 is carried forward. This top 1 I will add 0. 1 plus 0. 1 is carried, no? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carried. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carried. Yes. What happened? Yes. Yes. Wait. Mute the microphone. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 is carried, no? That 1 I have to add to. That 1 I have to add. That top one are carried forward. Successor is 32 lakhs 10,000. 32 lakhs 10,000. Successor is 32 lakhs 10,000. This is clear? See, this is clear. 9 plus 1, 10. Wait. See, I have written. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone, please. Mute the microphone. Now D 3 4 5 6 7 8 0. 3 4 5 6. Yes, 7 8 0. Wait. 3 4 5 6 7 8 0. This D part. Successor means just after that number or immediately after that number. To find success, yes, successor of any number, we add 1 to the respective number, we get the next number. Successor means immediately after that number or next number. Now this D will be homework. D will be homework. Find successor of 3 4 5 6 7 8 0. Yes, please mute the microphone. Yes, please mute the microphone. Yes, yes. Find the successor. Now D part is 3 4 5 6. In my mobile it is clear. Yes, yes. Wait, you keep the phone horizontally, then it will be clear. Now, yes. Now D part is homework. 3 4 5 6 7 8 0. This is homework. Let us, this part is over, completed successor. Yes, now let us solve second. Find the predecessor of the following number. Predecessor means just before. Predecessor means just before. So question number 2. Write the predecessor. Wait, done, then have patience. Write the predecessor. Yes, write the predecessor. Write the predecessor. Write the predecessor. This part. Write the predecessor for each of the following. For each of following. Yes. Don't send anything. See here. See, you don't have to violate any rules. Yes, yep. Emojis. Yes, you send me the name. Next time I will definitely. Next period I will definitely. Yes. See, next time I will definitely not admit them. When I will. Yes. Man Patel and one more student. Wait. That I am observing. See, that I am able to see. In my phone. Definitely I will not admit them. Because, yes, write the predecessor. Predecessor means just before. And for predecessor, we subtract 1. For successor, we add 1. For predecessor, we subtract 1. Predecessor means just before. And successor means just after. So, yes. Now board is clear. Yes, now it is clear. Write the predecessor. Yes. Wait. First is 2,70,000. 2,70,000. Find the predecessor. Predecessor means just before. Predecessor means just before of predecessor we subtract 1. we subtract 1, we get the predecessor. So 2,70,000, this is given, we subtract 1, so we write minus 1, here please. Subtraction, you have to be careful. This is 0 and this is 1, so this 1 is bigger, or this 0 is, this 0 is smaller, so this 0 is smaller, I will carry it 1. Wait, why there is disturbance? Wait, 1 I will carry it, so 10 minus 1, 9, then it is 9 is left, 10 minus 1, 9, then it is 9 is left, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, then 1 is carried there, so 6, 6 minus 0, 6, then 2 will remain 2 only, and this is predecessor. Yes, so 26 lakhs so 2,70,000 is there, so predecessor of that is 2,69,000. So right, yes, predecessor of 2,70,000 is 2,69,999. So to find predecessor, I will subtract 1. I will get predecessor. Predecessor means just before. Then second is 396 0 1 0 0, 39,60,100. So find predecessor of this. So I will subtract 1. So 39,60,100. I will subtract 1. I will write minus 1. I will write 1 below this 1's place. Then I will subtract. So 1 is carried. So this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Then 1 is carried. So 10 becomes 9. Then 1 is carried. So this, in place of 1, it will be 0. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 6, 9, 3 minus 0, 3. Is it clear? It is 39,60,099. It is 39,60,099. Yes. So predecessor. Now predecessor of 39,60,100 is 39,60,000. Yes. This is the predecessor. 39,60,099. That is the predecessor. Yes. Wait. That I will decide now. Why are you in hurry? You should not be in hurry. Yes. Don't be in hurry. Have patience. Yes. So have patience. So patience is the key of success. Here. Wait. Patience is the key of success. Patience is the key of success. Remember this. You should always have patience. Yes. In my mobile I am clearly able to see. Wait. Now see. 18,60,000. 18,60,000. Wait. 18,60,000. Why? There is one more period after this. Then 67,000. 67 lakhs 54,000. Wait, 321. So these two are homework. Yes, C and D are homework. Why there is by? Who is saying by? Okay, Bhupesh Mali. Next time I will definitely not admit him, because we are having one more period after this. We are continuing and we are going slow. So with very much comfortably we are solving. So even though 10 minutes, even don't send me right now. I will not check it. After 11:20 you send. See, so successor means just after. For successor we add 1. Wait, we add 1. And for predecessor means just before. And for predecessor we subtract 1. Successor add 1, predecessor subtract 1. So now let us solve third. Let us solve, yes. This B part is over. This is over, all of you. No, I will not admit. How? Okay. Okay. See here. You have to focus on yourself. Please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Now, see, yes. Question number 3. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 20,999. Write the, yes, mute the microphone. Write the next three natural numbers. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 20,999. After 20,999. Write the next 3 natural numbers. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 20,999. So you are given a number 20,999 for next, yes, wait, next is same as successor. Next is same as successor. So 20,999 for next or successor, I will add 1. Yes, mute the microphone. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Then 0 plus 1, 1. And this is 2. 21,000. This is first natural number. Then for second, I will add 1 to this, 21,000. So 21,000, add 1 to this, 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 21,001. This is second natural number. Now I will add 1 to this, 21,001. Yes, mute the microphone. Plus 1. 21,001. I will add 1 plus 1, 2, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, then 2. Yes, so these 3 are next 3 natural numbers. Yes, you can see, if you write plus 3, then directly you will get this number. See here, you will get this number directly. But we want all, so plus 3 you cannot do. Plus 3, yes, wait, yes, as, yes. No, 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 you cannot do, see here. If you write plus 2, you will get this number directly. If you write plus 3, you will get this number directly. Yes. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yes, 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 yes. You can do that way. What you can do, you 20,999 plus 1, 20,999 plus 2, 20,999 plus 3. That way also you can do. No problem. Very good. Yes, very good, very good. Next 3 natural numbers. Write the answer. Next 3 natural numbers. Next 3 natural numbers after 20,999 are 21,000, then 21,001, then 21,002. These 3. Yes, yes. Yes, Man Patel, please mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, yes. Mute the microphone. So next 3 is same as finding next 3 successor. Next 3 means finding next 3 successor. Next means successor, before means predecessor. For successor we add 1, for predecessor we subtract 1 from that number. So write the next 3 natural numbers after 20,999. So to get next 3 natural number, I will add 1, I will get 21,000. Add 1 to 21,000, you will get 21,001. To this 21,001, add 1, you will get 21,002. So in this way we get next 3 natural numbers. Now question number 4. Question. Yes. Yes. I will. Don't worry. I will give time for writing. Don't worry. Enough time is given. Now it is clear in the mobile. Yes. Mute the microphone, please. Now next, I am writing question number 4. Yes. You can write in the same book. No problem. See, if you have notebook, then you make it. If you don't have, then you write in the same book. Does not matter. But you write that this is my homework. Okay? Wait. But you write. Now onwards you write. Okay. Write the write the 3 whole numbers. Write the 3 whole numbers. Write the 3 whole numbers. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before occurring just before write the 3 whole number occurring just before means predecessor, occurring just before 4,30,001, just before the number 4,30,001. 4,30,001. This is the number. Find the next 3. Find the 3 whole number, not next 3. Just before. Just before means predecessor. Just before means predecessor. And for predecessor, we subtract 1. Whole numbers, we have seen whole number and natural number. natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Whereas whole numbers start with 0. Whole numbers start with 0. Write the three whole number occurring just before. Just before is same as predecessor. Just before is same as predecessor. Before it means predecessor. So for predecessor we subtract 1. So we write the solution. So the number is 4,30,001. 4,30,001. We subtract 1. We get first whole number. 1 minus 1, 0. Then 0. Then 0. Then 0. Then 3. Then 4. It is 4,30,000. This is first whole number. Yes, this is first whole number before this. Now for second whole number before this, so 4,30,000. From this I will subtract 1. 4,30,000. I will subtract 1. So minus 1. So this is 0. 1 is carried. 10 minus 1, 9. Then it is 9 will be left. Yes. Now it is clear. 9. Then 9 is left. 9. Yes, wait. 9. Then in mobile it is clear. Yes. Then this is 9. Then 1 is carried there. So in place of 3 it will be 2. And then 4. So 4,29,999. For third whole number before this, from this I will subtract 1. 4,29,999. 4,29,999. I will subtract 1. So minus 1. Just before means predecessor. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And this is 2 and this is 4. So 4,29,998. So we write the answer. Three whole numbers. Yes, no disturbance occurring. Three whole numbers occurring just before. Just before means predecessor. Just before 4,30,001 are 4,30,000, comma 4,29,999, and then 4,29,998. These three are whole number occurring just before this number. So just before means you have to find predecessor, and for predecessor we subtract 1. So 3 predecessor of this number you have to find. 3 just before means you have to find 3 predecessor of this number. You have to find 3 predecessor of this number. You have to find, yes. You have to find 3 predecessor of this. Yes, wait. So just before means predecessor. For predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Just after is same as successor. For successor, you have to add 1 to the respective number. Yes. Yes. In mobile it is clear. I am able to see. Yes. Now let us wait. Yes. Yes, mute the microphone. Write fast. Utilize your energy in writing rather than doing something extra which is not related to our subject. Yes, yes, yes. This part is over, write fast. Yes, question number 4 is over, writing work. Just before means spirit. Yes. Just before, yes. Board is, see, board is clear. I am able to see in my, I am able to see in my mobile that the board is clear. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. See, mute the micro. See, mute the microphone. Second thing is there, you have to write little bit fast. Along with accuracy, you should have good writing speed also. That is equally important. Third is there that utilize all your energy to this work rather than your hand is there on your notebook but your mind is somewhere else. That should not be there. In mind you are thinking some of kind of mischief. That should not happen. So make your mind very much clear to this subject. Then there will be more clarity. Now completed. Enough time I had given. Now let us solve question number 5. And meanwhile, we are writing question. Yeah, wait, let me first discuss, no, what is that question. Now see here, we are writing the question, so it is taking time. So I have asked you, arrange the book as early as possible so that our time is saved in writing. So now question number 5, compare the following. Compare the following means which is greater, which is smaller, that you have to decide. Compare the following. First, A, 53,000, then 50,003. B, let me first write all the questions. 67890, then 98760, 98760, then C, 9940, 516, then 1003, 4002. Wait. There is question number 5. I am discuss. Let me first discuss. No homework will be there in this. Then 7550. Yes, 7550. Yes, 7550. 980. See, 98081. 98081. Then, yes, it is clear. 7550. 98045. Board is clear. I am able to see. 98045. So this, yes, you keep the phone horizontally, you will be able to see. Yes. See, compare means you have to see which number is bigger, which number is smaller. And when we have started this online teaching, and when I was teaching from Selina book, there we have discussed how to decide whether the number is bigger or smaller. The number is, if the number has more number of digit, if the number has more number of digit, that number is bigger. The number which has less number of digit, that number is smaller. Second thing, when the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the numbers from left side. This is my left side, left. When the number of digits are same, compare the numbers from left. So two things you have to, yes, sign, greater than, less than, that sign you have to put. Greater than sign you have to put. So when two numbers are given, you count number of digits. If number of digits, whichever number has more number of digits, that number will be bigger. And if the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the digits from left side. This is my left. Left side you compare the digits. Now let us see first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, both are 5 digit. Both are 5 digits. So I will start comparing the digit from left. From left I will compare. This is 5. This is 5. Okay. Then this is, yes, this is 3. This is 0. So 3 is bigger than 0. No, not underline. This I am explaining. 5, 5 same. Then 3, 0. 3 is bigger. So this number will be bigger. Arrow will be this. Mouth opening will be toward 53,000. Mouth opening means greater. This is mouth. Mouth opening is this side, means this number is bigger. Mouth opening is this side. Now next, we have to see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are having 5 digits, 5 digits. So if the number of digits are same, then I will compare the digits from left side. Left side. This you remember. Don't compare the digit from right. You have to compare the digit from left side. This is my left side. So 6, 9. Which is bigger? 9. So this number is bigger. Opening will be this side. Mouth opening will be this side. Mouth opening is toward bigger number. So this we say greater. This we say greater. Next, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 digit. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 digit number. And this is 7 digit. So this number has more number of digits. So this will be greater. This number has more number of digits. So this will be greater. Let us see the D part. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of digits are same. So what you will do? Compare the digits from left side. This is my left. Left side. Left side, compare the digits. So 7, 7 equal. Then 5, 5 equal. Then 5, 5 equal. Then 0, 0 equal. Then 9, 9 equal. Then 8, 8 equal. Then we have 0, 0 equal. Then we have 8 and then we have 4. Now which is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is greater. 8, yes, so this number will be this side. Arrow will be this side. So when the number, yes, when the number of digits are, yes, yes. Yeah. This one? Okay, see, no. This has how many digits? This has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 digits. And this has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has 8 digits. So whichever number has more number of digits, that number is bigger. Is it clear? First comparison. First you have to compare number of, see here, wait. First you have to compare number of digits. If number of digits are more, that number will be bigger. If number of digits are same, compare the digits from left. Is it clear? So first you have to see number of digits. So this is question number 5. Yes, very good. Write fast also. Yes, write little bit fast. Wait. Write little bit fast. Now 6 is, yes, question number 6. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Or you can also say increasing order. Ascending order is same as, yes. Ascending order is same as increasing order or smaller to bigger. Yes, very good. Now we have to use that learning. See here, mathematics, what you will learn in first standard, second standard, that you will be using in 12th standard also, does not matter. So these are basic foundation course. What you will learn in first standard, that I will be using in 12th standard also, does not matter. So it is a learning which helps you for, yes, 10th standard also. You will come ascending order, descending order. 9th standard also we are having. So now 6th A. The numbers are 853072. The next is 937258. 937258. Then 932065. 932065. Then 899349. 899349. Arrange these numbers. Yes, repeat what you said. Yes, I will be there. So let us solve this. Arrange the numbers in the ascending order. First, very quickly, you have to count number of digits. How many digits are there? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 digit. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digit. No, this is for your understanding I am writing. You can also write with pencil, no harm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6 digit. And then, yes, then this is also 6 digit number. So all are 6 digit number. Yes, all are 6 digit number. So what, yes, wait. So what I have to do? I have to compare the digits from left. All the numbers are 6 digit. So when the number of digits are same, you have to compare the numbers. You have to compare the numbers from left. Now left one is 8, 9, 9, 8. So these two 9 are bigger. These 9 are bigger. 8, 9, 9, 8. So these are 9, this is 9. 9, 9 are bigger. Now I will compare only these two number now. These two number I will compare. After 9 there is 3. 3. Then it is 7. It is 7. And it is 2. So this number is bigger. This number is bigger. So we write 937258. We write greater than. Wait. I am writing. Arey, wait. Yes. I am writing. First I am ascending order only we are doing. Now after. Okay. So this number is bigger. Wait. This number is bigger. See, does not matter. Wait. Yes, that is what. But what is there? First you have to decide. This is my bigger number. This is bigger. Then this is after this number, this. Then these two, this is smaller. So we write 853072. Then 899349. Then after this, yes, mute the microphone. 932065. Then 937258. 93728 are in ascending order. So these numbers are in ascending order, smaller to bigger. No, Nindra, please. If you write the sign, does not matter. It is okay. You can write the sign also. Instead of comma, you can write less than sign. Even if you write a comma, it does not matter. No, period is still there. Who is leaving? Period is over. Still we have 11 minutes. Yes. Now second, 6034. 603407 547980 then 540732 then 62006 6230 and then 6. So arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So this I am giving B part as homework. Yes, B part is homework. Arrange the number in the ascending order. Yes, right. Yes. B part is homework. Yes. B part is homework. B is only homework. A I have done. Only two problems are there. A and B. So A I have done. Then B I am giving homework. Now there is no C. We have to start question number 7. Yes. Wait. Arrange the following number in descending order. Descending means decreasing order or bigger to smaller. Yes. Descending means decreasing or bigger to smaller or reducing order. Whichever you say. Decreasing means bigger to smaller. Question number 7. Question number 6, B part is homework. Then question. Yes. Yes. Now it is clear. A 405300 405300 right. then 504003, 504003, then 3330045, 30045, 30045, then 45003, 45003. These numbers are there. You have to write the decreasing order. Yes, wait. You have to write the decreasing order. Yes, decreasing means, descending order means bigger to smaller. Descending order means bigger to smaller. You have to compare the digits. So now you have to compare the digits. So now let us first count how many digits are there. That by there is by count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 6 digit number. Yes, 6 digit. Then this is also 6 digit. See, 6 digit. Then this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Then this is also 6 digit number. Yes. Or wait, mute the microphone. All are 6 digit number. So when number of digits are same, yes, you have to compare the numbers, compare the digits from left side. This direction, remember always, hit in the mind. Compare the digits from left side, left side, left side. Compare the digits from left side. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. So which number is bigger? 5. So we write 504003. Then after this number, yes, it is clear. After this 4, yes, 45, yes, 45003, this number. Then 405300, then 30, yes, 30045 are in descending order. Wait, are in descending order. Are in descending order. Numbers are in descending order. See. Wait, you can also write with the sign also. Does not matter. 504003 less than 450003 less than 4053 00 less than you can yes, comma also you can write, with sign also you can write, whichever way, does not matter. I had explained in both the comma, then after that comma you have to write less than. This sign is less than, this is less than. Greater means this side, wherever opening is there. See here, wait, this will not be, wait. This number is bigger, no? So opening will be this side. Yes, opening will be this side. Whichever number is bigger, opening will be in that side. Is it clear? It will be, this number is greater, so bigger to smaller. Yes, homework. Yes, homework I am writing. Homework B 704697. Just correct this. 704697, 704697, 453 962. Wait. Then 45 45793. Arey, who is creating this? 457936. Then 704531. 704531. Write this number in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. B part will be homework. B part will be homework. So descending order means bigger to descending order means bigger to smaller. Wait. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Yes. Now in mobile it is coming clear. Yes. Yes. So, see, no, still time is there 2 minutes. Yes, but still time is there. Still time is there 2 minutes. And see, if you permit, in 2 minutes I can do 8th one. Yes. If you permit, in 8th one I can do in 2 minutes. What is? Yes. 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 Please don't create the disturbance, or let me do 8th one afterwards. No problem. So, see here. So, student, one thing I would like to say, that when you are studying maths, you have to be perfect in the calculation. But along with that perfect, there should be some speed in writing also. Your hand and your brain both should work together. Yes. What is tip of the day? Your hand and your brain both should run simultaneously. Your hand and your brain both should run parallelly. Yes, with same speed both should run. Yes, write fast. Yes. Yes. No, 8th one. No. See, 8th one I will do in. Wait. Mute the microphone. 8th one I will do in next period. 8th one. Yes. Now see, 8th one yes, send in the WhatsApp. 8th one I will do next time, next period. 8th one will do next period. It is 11:21. We stop our period now. We stop our period. It is 11:21. You are having one. Yes. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Take care. Do the homework. Take nice delicious food. Yes. Take. Yes. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye everybody. Yes. Now we stop the period now. Yes, you can exit the group. I am also going to exit. Yes. Personal number is there in that group, no? It is not there? Okay, then personal number you can write if you want. You can write. Write this personal number and send me the homework. 9930732714. This is the personal number. You send me the homework on this personal number. Okay? Bye. Bye everybody. Bye.